Okay, so we are in the last part of design principles. We are in the last part of design principles, and the last two design principles we have here is proximity and white space. So the first part of the last two design principles is proximity. What is proximity? Proximity is grouping related items together. Placing similar things close to each other shows they belong to each other, um shows they belong together and reduces clutter. So grouping related items together, so placing similar things close to each other shows they belong to each other, and it shows that they belong together and reduces clutter. Alright, so he's just trying to talk about proximity is talking about grouping things that are in common together. All right. So how am I going to put it? For example, now you have images. It is not um wise for you as a designer for you to go and put an image at the top of your flyer, like at the very top, and now put another image at um the bottom of your flyer. People will look at you and they'll be like, what is going on? What is going on? All right. So you have to group them together. There's a way you put them together. You know, that's just an example. So that's where proximity comes in. It's very important, and it's part of the things we have to apply in our designs. All right, in design principles, whether you're a graphic designer or UI UX designer or whatever designer that you are, proximity is very important. Grouping related items, grouping related elements together. So that's what proximity entails. So the last design principle here is white space. White space. All right. What is white space? White space is the empty space be around and between your design elements. It gives your design room to breathe and helps prevent the viewer from feeling overwhelmed. All right. So one thing about your design is no matter how you want to put them together in your design, all right, you must not uh, do your design in such a way that it does not have space. All right, just like in this slide, does not have room to breathe, does not have space. Your design should be spacious. Your design should have space. All right, your design should have space. If your design does not have white space, it will be too clustered. The elements in it will be too clustered, and it can make your design look clumsy, like you're not organized. You don't know what you're doing. All right, so design principles. One of the things you have to apply is putting white space, the empty space around and between your design elements. All right, so they have to have space. All right, you are putting them together and not giving them space, then it shows that you're not organized, and it will make your design look unorganized. It will look clumsy, and it will look jam packed. Yes, that's the word. So it gives your design room to breathe and help prevent the viewer from feeling overwhelmed. All right. So if the elements are spacious, they'll be easily seen and understood. All right. So that those are one of the principles you can apply to your design that will make it clearly understood and seen without any misinterpretation. All right. So uh with this, we have come to the ending of design principles, and then what a journey we have been on. So we look forward to what is next. See you in the next video.